Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Shiba Inu. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the latest price changes occurring the Shiba Inu, what's going on, what will be the price of Shiba Inu at the last of August. Let me show you guys, but please subscribe now our channel for more news and updates videos. Shiba Inu price is now in the pumping mode and once again the Shiba Inu prices explode, and I hope guys that they will give you profit very soon. Guys, the price of the Shiba Inu will be going to hit 0.01 USD dollar very soon, guys. And now the latest price of Shiba Inu in the market is 0.00008 USD dollar. That is the currently price of the Shiba Inu. On the other side you can see here the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Shiba Inu is positive. Every time I found in positive mode. So let me show you the price chart. Oh my god, you can see here my friends, from the price chart it's clear that from the 6th August the Shiba Inu price chart explosion start jumping. So guys, that's clear that now they will continue this pump for to the last of this month. To the last of this month Shiba Inu will continue positive changes. So guys, if they continue these kind of positive changes, so why are you not investing in this coin? And invest now in this coin and make a huge profit. Positive 4.35% changes over in the last 1 month, guys. That's really a profitable coin for all of you if you want to invest or invest for a short time. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.